Today we're featuring a 2016 Nissan Quest. It's got 41,000 miles on it. It's gun metallic in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the lock unlock button, chrome door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Make our way across the back. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Just have the gray door panels, nice wood trim here, power locks, power windows. It does have gray cloth seating. Cup holders and console. It does come with a keyless entry key fob. It is an automatic. It's got your climate control area there, push button start, AM FM CD player. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your mileage. It's got 41,727 miles on it. Now that we got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the AM FM CD player again. Your climate controls. Alright, AC's already blowing cold. You got your cup holders here. Okay. Also a nice little convenient storage area here. Power supply socket down there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Got the captain chair second row, console in between. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. Go ahead and look at the third row. Take a look back here. Show you your storage space here. Got a ton of space down there. And you can see the depth of that. A lot of space there. Put the seats down. Give you another perspective on how much space you got back here. But you can lay those seats down. You can see how much it opens it up back there. Okay, ton of room back here. It's really easy to get those seats back up. Just pull the strap. Seats come back up. Got a nice convenient power outlet back here as well. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. Let's see what size we have. We have 16-inch steel wheels, plastic hubcaps on there. The tires are still in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Nissan Quest, 41,000 miles on it. Gun metallic in color. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.